this out, man. We outside of the building. For those that don't know where the building is, somebody better, hey.
How y'all doing?
Hey man, look, we're doing an interview. I'm doing an article, and I'm interviewing people for the article, and it's simple. The question is, why is it important to keep black dollars in our community supporting our black business owners?
It's definitely important because for the growth of the community. And so the young children can see themselves being a business owner.
That's a good point, man. That's a good point. So if I'm little dude and I see big dude, you, doing something positive and cool, I can emulate that and be like, that's obtainable for me.
Right.
Sort of like the basketball player.
Right.
And sadly, in my understanding and experience, we see the same we see drug dealers out here, little kids getting inspired by that too. But when we got cool cats like yourself, who got cool toys like this, and you know what, this is straight businessman that's doing it like that. Come over here right quick, bro. And this is a businessman that's doing it like that. He's branding his whole truck and everything. He got his own business, and he is somebody that we can be proud of and somebody that we can support. So when it comes to supporting, what do you do to support the community? Do you buy black? What do you do?
Oh, I definitely. I buy stuff like from the Kohl's, their restaurant, black owned. I go get my insurance from Martin, American Family Insurance, everything. I try to do to circulate my dollar at least 7 times before we go back to Uncle Sam.
And thank you for supporting with us too, because we black. That's right, that's right. So anything you need to say in closing, man, as far as about inspiring the youth to try to do the same thing and emulate positive brothers like yourself?
Well, you know, just be around positive people in the community that you want to be like. You know what I mean? And stay focused and stay consistent. That's about it. That's
dope, man. I like the little subliminal because you're doing some whole bunch of stuff out here in the community.
Right.
One day we're gonna talk about that if you're allowed to.
Best place on the planet.
I like that. What's the name of it?
Planet.
All right.